This butter yellow color is so in season and absolutely has my heart. Look at the gorgeous print on this skirt. Such a cute, colorful top. Love this cute, dainty white top. Look at all the frills on this top. Hello everybody, my name is Purva. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm really digging my new look. I think it looks fantastic and I wanna get this energy going up because I'm very excited for today's video. आज का वीडियो भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा fun, interesting होने वाला है. So today's video is all about a Myntra tops haul. As you can see, I have got 6 tops over here with me. I have a couple of quad sets that I want to show you guys. I didn't want to completely make a new video for quad sets because they are just 2 or 3 of them. So I was like, I'll probably just include this in this particular video itself. And they're really pretty. Like, genuinely, if you're looking to go for a vacation, or even if you're looking to sort of bring some color into your wardrobe, I think this video is definitely for you. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to join the family, hit the subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. So first up, I have this particular top for you guys. It's a very pretty pink color top, as you can see. It's a nice dark pink. बहुत ही अच्छा shade है ये pink का. Oh my god, can this stop falling? So to me, I think this kind of is a really dainty, cute looking girlish top. There's a combination of like dark pink as well as a little bit of purple happening, as you can see. It has a nice square neck over here in the front. And ऊपर से ऐसे flap detailing दी गई है. पीछे से ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. It just has some nice straps, so it's sleeveless. And पीछे से it's again a similar neck as front. ये बहुत ही अच्छा fitting देता है basically आपकी body को. And why is this top ka sleeve falling? It's in the size S. This is what the next top looks like. It's a white number. I really like the color white. Of course, it's a basic, classic, a no-brainer situation. तो बहुत ही अच्छा top है ये. पीछे से it's basically a tie-up situation here down, and ये पूरा ही backless है. So it comes like if I remove this, if I untie the knot, it's going to be 2 different sides. So आगे से कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. It's simple, again has a squarish neck right over here. It is sleeveless, as you can see. That is what the sleeve looks like, and there's again just another flowy flap on each side of the sleeve. If I like open this, if I untie the knot, yeah, it's gonna become like that. So you can always adjust it according to how tight, loose, how you want it. And when you tie it, it's like a triangular situation at the back. If I may tell you what I actually wear under such tops, if I'm wearing something backless or something that I cannot wear a proper bra underneath, I will usually use, just some stick-ons, like some pasties or some stick-ons, because those are the things that goes extremely well with such kind of tops, and it's very seamless underneath your tops and all your backless dresses and stuff like that. So that's just a little tip that I'd give you. Moving on to our third top. Now I have something similar in also a black, so I'm just going to show you quickly what these 2 tops look like. So I wanted to get something like this since a very long time, but to be extremely honest with you, I'm not so happy with the quality of these tops, like both of them. So this is what the top looks like. It's really nice. It's very filmy. It has a lot of nakra going on. I feel like there's so much also you can do with such top, but I feel like it's damaged. Like I feel like it's a damaged piece, or it's like a used piece. I don't know, because it has the tag along, right? The tag and all this, everything's there. But I still don't know why the quality of this top is just not up to the mark. The black one is still slightly better, like in a better situation than this one, but the silver gray, whatever color you want to call it, is honestly not giving. Yahan par they've given sleeves which are transparent straps, right? So thin transparent straps. I don't know how much I can comment on the durability of these straps. मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है if it's going to really, stay. But the good part is कि ये जो चीज है ना, ये काफी tight है. Like ये जो इस part है, तो you won't have like a malfunction, like a wardrobe malfunction, definitely. That I'm sure I can assure you. They also have given like a zip right over here. So I'll just show you. Basically, you have to just open this, and this is what it looks like when it's opened. You nicely tuck yourself into the top, and then you basically shut this thing. मुझे लग रहा है कि इन धागों में से किसी में एक अटक जाएगा, but ठीक है, it's really not that bad. अटका तो नहीं है अभी तक. 1 मिनट में जिप बंद भी हो गई. So कुछ हुआ नहीं, सब आपके सामने किया मैंने. So you will see that there's honestly not a lot of problem with the top. It's just that I don't understand the quality of it too much. So that's the material from the inside. Very soft, honestly. Now can you see, like, compare the quality between the two? Like, I don't know if it's just black or if it's the color. If I just turn this upside down. Yeah, like this one is good. Like I feel like this one is just better. Like it feels like it's a little more ironed, it's a little more like, it was kept well in the warehouse that they're using. I like this one. It's nice. इसका यहाँ पे एक ऐसे धागा वागा निकल रहा है. तो शायद वो खिंच गया होगा या कुछ. See, it's not a big problem. I can always cut it to the length of all the others. यहाँ पर again there is a zip that's given over here, and oh, I did not know there's even a hook below the zip. That's the hook, so you can just hook it up as well. So there's absolutely no chance of you having like a wardrobe malfunction. And then there's a zip which you can very easily open and then very easily even close, and then you can put the hook. I want to see if the silver one has a hook or not. I can just tell you all right away if that has a hook. Yes, it does have a hook, guys. So this is the hook, and I can just, it's the hanger in your face, guys. Yeah. So there is a hook. Good that they've given so many ways to secure a top, which is really mindful. On to our fifth top, which is again a super colorful top. As you can see, one of my favorites from this collection. This top, again, love it. This fits your bust area just like that. Cute little vibe over here, like a flowy vibe. बहुत अच्छा quality है. पीछे से भी it's very similar. And यहाँ पर ऊपर tie up की detailing है. Actually, you have to tie it up yourself. I've just tied it up to put up on the hanger to show you guys what it's going to look like once you wear it. Of course, you can take the length above, down, apne hisab se, however you like to wear it. But if I wanted to show you what it looks like, so it's basically straps, right? You get like straps on each side and you have to just tie it according to you. I love the vibe of this top. And now I have to put it back on the hanger. Just give me a second. Done. It's a little uneven, but also with the sleeves, you can do so much. Like you can always wear it as a halter neck as well. You can do a crisscross situation. Moving on to our last top. It's this one. It's again a very cute white colored top. This one has nice brown buttons here, which I love. I love the combination of white and brown together. I think they make such a good combination. Really cute. Has some thick sleeves, as you can see. A bustier situation near the bust, and पीछे से ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. This one does not have any zip or anything like that. These buttons do open. All right. So these buttons do open, and let me see if most of them open. All the buttons open, and you can always, you know, probably just unbutton a couple of buttons from top if you want that, or you can always wear it with all the buttons intact. Okay guys, my bad, but I completely missed out on one top. I finished shooting, you know, I'll tell you like real story. I finished shooting and I was like kind of just going to kind of, you know, put everything back together, and I saw one top lying on one corner. I was like, wait, I was supposed to put that in two in the haul, but here it is. It's a super cute corset-ish tube top. This one's a black number from a brand called Athena. I think this one's pretty popular on Myntra, and this one is in a size XS. This is what the top looks like. It's a nice top. That's why I wanted to actually put it in. This is what the front looks like, and it basically has like a little situation, like a little shape given over here for the bust area. That is what the back part looks like. The back part is pretty simple. It's just very stretchable, as you can see, and so you're going to be able to fit yourself very easily. Yeah, really like this one. It's very sporty, very casual. You can always pair this with some ripped jeans or even some nice pants, formal pants with the blazer on top. I think that'll look also really cool. This was one of the tops that I kind of missed out on, so here it is. Back to the entire video. I think you can go and watch the quad sets now because that's what's coming up after this. I have 3 of them, just letting you know, and all 3 have my heart. So coming to the first one, this is what the first quad set looks like. So it's basically long skirt and a very cute little crop top, like a tube top actually, I would say. I'm just going to move this. So this is what the skirt looks like. It's really cute. It's basically a nice pink color. The entire quad set is basically the same print, and as you can see, there's a lot of pink happening. Some white, some purple, and different shades of pink actually. Dark pink, light pink, baby pink, all of that. Fits like a glove. I won't even lie. Like the fitting of this is immaculate. And same print made, there is going to be a tube top. That is what the tube top looks like. I've ordered this in a size S, and it's a lovely cute little tube top. You can always wear this top with another pant or with another bottom wear. You can always pair this skirt with another top, you know. So there's a lot that you can do with, you know, these 2 pieces. That's the length of the skirt. I want to show you like the elasticity also of this is really good. So you can always put yourself in the top. It has a really good elastic. Moving on to our second quad set, and this one literally has my heart. Like the color is to die for, guys. Okay, you've had a peek, I think. But that is what the color looks like, and this is the top that comes with it. Oh my god, what is with this butter yellow color? Like, why is it so beautiful? Usually this was never my vibe. It's growing on me. This skirt is much more flowy in nature. Like, I'm just going to show you the skirt first, and again, let me tell you the size before I forget. It's an S. It's gonna fit you really well, and it's literally just a long yellow skirt. So again, can be paired individually with so many things. You know, it's flowy, it's not skin fit, as you can see. And the material is also amazing. बहुत ही बढ़िया material है. Look, like when I say butter yellow color, I also mean it by the fabric because it's literally buttery soft. Like this fabric is like, and the top, oh my god, the top of this is something that I would order this in all the colors that they have if they had. So how it fits is basically the bust area, which is like this part, is completely opaque. So you don't have to worry about that's not transparent. So as you can see, that part is completely opaque and it has a proper lining which matches the skirt. Uske niche ka jo part hai, right? Like that part is going to be transparent. There are like some thin straps which again are beautiful. They fit so well. एंड नीचे से इसका क्या सीन है, ये थोड़ा सा asymmetrical है, so it basically fits your body like that. I would suggest you guys to get this, like get your hands on this, it's totally worth your money. Last one is again super pretty and the fitting of this one is beautiful. The print on this one is beautiful. This is what the skirt looks like and oh my god, tell me you cannot see yourself sipping a mimosa or like a nice cocktail at a beautiful like you know, sunset beach resort in Goa or whatever, like something on those lines. I feel like this screams like beach. That's the print. So many different colors, and again, all these things are so versatile to pair individually, which again I cannot stop screaming about. There's a zip given right here for it to fit your body well. So long zip है तो अच्छे से आराम से आप fit हो जाओगे, and then you have to just shut the zip, and it's extremely good quality, trust me when I say that. And when you see it from the front, there's also a really beautiful slit right over here. The slit is not too high, so that is very lovely. It's going to keep you extremely comfortable. Picture say it's very simple, flowy, it's just the same thing, no slit, nothing. Iska jo top hai, again it's a really cute top, and trust me, the top ka fitting is something that is so amazing. So that is what the top is like. It's a one shoulder top, and you know, it's like it has a thick sleeve over here, basically fits your body like this. Beautiful, again, can be styled in so many different ways. Just part mein sleeve hai, usi part mein they've given a zip, and the zip again opens extremely well. Pura upar tak open hota hai. Put yourself in it and then you just have to shut the zip. Love this quad set, man. It's so beautiful in the size S, and this one is from a brand called Berry Lush, and I really like this brand. That's kind of it for this particular haul. I'm going to be linking every single thing for you guys down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. I'll be leaving one particular link which if you click is going to take you to all the different options. Aapko sari options ka access mil jayega. Let me know which one you like the most and which one you would prefer buying. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. I will definitely come up with something super interesting for you guys. Until then, you guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.